Good afternoon, children. Today we will be learning a poem called Chameleons. It's an English topic, Unit 2.1. Look at this picture, children, and you will see different kinds of reptiles. These are different kinds of reptiles. Reptiles are animals that crawl on the ground. Some reptiles have no legs, while some have short legs. So you see, children, reptiles like the snake or the snail, they crawl on the ground and they do not have legs. But the others have legs which are very short. Today we will be learning about a very different and unique kind of reptile which is called a chameleon. This is a chameleon. A chameleon is a reptile which has short legs and it is very unique. Unique means different, different from the others. Now if you see here, children, it is a lizard. A lizard you normally see on the walls, sometimes in your house or on building walls. A chameleon belongs to a lizard family. They look very much like a lizard, but its shape is different. You see here, the shape of the chameleon than that of a lizard is very different. And what makes it really very different and unique is that a chameleon can change its color. See, you can see it's changing its color, changes to different colors. Now let's learn more about a chameleon. There are different kinds of chameleons, children, we see in the world. See its shape, the head shape, they are all different. Some chameleons are small. See how tiny they are? They are on the tip of the finger. While some chameleons are little bigger, like this. A chameleon changes its color, like I told you earlier. If you see the color changing, changes to different colors. No other animal can do that, but a chameleon can change its color. It changes its color to suit the environment, the place around it. Like this. If you see here, the chameleon has changed its color to suit the color of the leaves. See, the leaves are little yellow and green. And so the chameleon has changed its color to suit the environment. Now even here the chameleon has changed its color because the leaves are white and black, and here the chameleon has changed its color to white and black so that they are not seen and they are not harmed, because these are not dangerous animals. Now if you see here, it's a crocodile. A crocodile is also a reptile. And a chameleon looks very much like a crocodile. Its legs, its tail, but a crocodile is very big, while a chameleon is much, much smaller. See the shape of the legs? Very much like a crocodile. And they walk very slowly. Now let's learn about the eyes of the chameleon. See the eyes of the chameleon, how they are moving? They move in all directions, 360 degrees, that means right round. And that is because a chameleon cannot move his neck, like how we move our neck to look to the left, right, or we can turn it little at the back. A chameleon cannot do that, but its eyes help to see all around. They can look back, they can look down, they can look forward, they can also look up. This is because they cannot move his neck and it needs to see where he can eat his prey. They eat only insects. And since they cannot move fast, they need their eyes that move right round to catch its prey. Prey is food. Now, if you look here, children, a chameleon has a very long tongue. Because he cannot move fast, and if the prey or an insect is little far from him, the chameleon pushes his tongue out like this, and there is a sticky part on his tongue on which the insect gets stuck, and then he can eat the insect. So a chameleon has a very long tongue. Even a frog can do this. Now look at the feet of the chameleon. They have 4 toes, 2 on either side. Here there are 2 and here there are 2. And this is because they can hold the branch of a tree well like this. Even a parrot has toes like this. So a chameleon has 4 toes and they can hold a branch properly because of their 4 toes, 2 on either side like this. So you see, children, a chameleon is so different from other animals. It is not that you see a chameleon everywhere around. They are normally found in jungles, and these chameleons can change their color to suit the environment. That's what makes these chameleons very unique, strange, different from others. Now that we have learned so much about a chameleon, let us learn the poetry from our Bal Bharati book. Chameleons 5.1 Unit 2. Chameleons by Colin West. The poet is Colin West. Chameleons are seldom seen. They are red, they are orange, then they are green. They are one of nature's strangest sights. Their colors change like traffic lights. The poet is trying to tell us that chameleons are seldom seen. Seldom means rarely. They are not seen everywhere. We don't see them like how we see lizards on the wall. But chameleons are seldom seen. Seldom means rarely. And as I told you earlier, they change their colors. They are red, sometimes they are orange, sometimes they are green. They are one of nature's strangest sights. You don't see them everywhere, and all animals cannot do this like how a chameleon does. So strangest is something very rare. You don't see it always on other animals. Their colors change like traffic lights. The poet is trying to say like how a traffic light changes from red, orange and green, a chameleon can also change its colors. But they only don't change it to red, orange or green. They sometimes become blue, purple. It all depends on the environment. You know, children, a chameleon can change its color because of its mood. If a chameleon is feeling cold, then he changes it to a dark color. But when a chameleon is feeling hot, he changes it to a light color. So a chameleon can change its color, and the poet is saying that it changes its color like traffic lights. He has referred it to traffic lights. Let us read the poem once again. Chameleons by Colin West. Chameleons are seldom seen. They are red, they are orange, then they are green. They are one of nature's strangest sights. Their colors change like traffic lights. Children, there is a page in your Bal Bharati which has this chameleon. You can color it using different colors. Thank you, children. I hope you have understood about the poem, what the poet is trying to tell you. Please learn your poem nicely, recite it well. Thank you.